Very good morning, students. Our fifth unit is going on. First topic we have to finish meaning of yoga. After then we have to discuss today importance of yoga. What is the importance in our life? Okay, योगा की क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है हमारी लाइफ में? Today we have to discuss. This is our topic. Meaning is finished. After then importance of yoga. Okay, in fifth unit. Now, in importance of yoga, our first point is improve cardiovascular system. This is very important. If you are doing a pranayam is a breathing process. You have doing a inhale, exhale, and holding the breath. So that's why our cardiovascular system is doing very well and improving very well. Okay. Second topic is cardiac problem. Cures cardiac problem is that if you are doing regular exercise, then you away from cardiac problems like blockages, oxygen problem, and you are doing some asthmatic problem. So that's why this is cures for cardiac problem. Yoga is improving the digestive system. Our digestive system is doing very well if we are doing pranayam, yoga, kriyas, asanas, etc. Then our digestive system is doing very well. Okay, because of that, most of diseases is coming from digestive problem. Next is sense organ. If we are doing proper exercise of yoga, pranayam, and asanas, etc., and kriyas also, so we are doing a control our sense like you know very well, eyes senses, skin, all sense organs we have to control very well. Five senses organs is there. Sorry. After then we have to remove tensions. Okay, if we are doing a proper yoga, pranayam, etc., then we are remove the tension and doing relaxes position. Okay, students, that's why yoga is very important. So we have to do a yoga in proper way and proper exercise. This is the in this picture you have to see the meditation position. Okay, in a meditation position you are doing very well. Concentration, the point is there. Concentration is doing very well. We have to do a proper exercise of yoga, so we have to concentrate very well. After then we have to discuss good posture. If we are doing a proper exercise of yoga or like a stretching yoga, chakrasana, then we have to do a good posture and remove the posture deformity. If we have to do exercise of yoga, then remove the ortho problem, ortho like bones on joints problem, like a knee problem is there. That's why if we are doing any yoga like chakrasana, padmasana, etc., then you know very well the joint is moving here and there. The ortho problem is removed with the help of yoga. Next is that health and hygiene. You know very well we have to do a proper yoga exercise, then we have to improve the health and we have hygiene is very well surrounding there. Last point is that we have to do a proper exercise of yoga. Then we have to cure many problem, like a digestive respiratory system is doing very well, digestive system is doing very well, and our muscles and all organs and glands is doing proper work, and that's why we have to do a proper exercise of yoga. Obesity problem, diabetes problem, hypertension is high blood pressure, low blood pressure problem is away from his or her uh, all the disease. So that's why yoga is very important in our life. योगा हमें प्रॉपर एक्सरसाइज के थ्रू करना चाहिए, सारी डिसीजेस दूर रहती हैं इससे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ऑल सिस्टम इज डूइंग वेरी वेल. Nervous system also is doing very well. Because of that we have to do a proper exercise of yoga like a meditation. So we have to cure the nervous problem. Okay, I think this topic is completed. If you have any problem about the importance of yoga, then you message me. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Today topic is closed. The students, have a good day.